Burpees. You either love them or you hate them, but they are one of the best total body workouts. So let's learn how to do them the right way to give you that full total body effect.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I love helping new moms gain strength and lose pounds through clean eating and exercise. Head over to my website for recipes and workouts.
I'm going to start off with, there's two ways to do a burpees. One where you can add a push-up, and two with no push-up. We are going to learn the no push-up way. So what you're going to do to start off with, and there's so many different versions, we are going to keep it simple, basic, so that you start to trigger that brain muscle connection, all right? So we're going to move up. You are going to be bending your knees down. You are going to kick back. We're going to start with a step back into that plank. All right? You got your shoulders over your wrist. Your feet are hip distance apart. Your core is pulled in, keeping the hips up. And then you're going to bring it in, knees into the chest, and lift it up. Pulling in that core, squeezing the butt. That is the basic of a burpee. So let's do that one more time. Bend the knees down, hands planted under the shoulders, step back, feet hip distance apart, core pulled in, holding that plank, and then bring it in. Whew. All right, we are gonna speed that up because a burpee is a cardio type of move. So you're gonna go down, now you're gonna jump it out. Pull it in, and lift up. Go down, jump it out, pull it in, lift up. Two more times. Down, jump it out, pull it in, lift up, down, jump it out, pull it in, lift up, and there you go. There are so many different things that you can do with a burpee. You can add weights, you can add a basu ball, but this is the basic of a burpee. So create that brain muscle memory and take it wherever you want to go. Thank you again for joining me. This is Clean Eating and Exercises. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Here is your next move, and I will see you later. Bye.